everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I created this simple look. It's super simple and I believe very on trend for fall. You can use it for Thanksgiving. I think I'm going to redo this look for Thanksgiving. But I created it with the Lisa Eldridge lipstick, and you guys, these are so beautiful and I'm in love. I am completely in love with this lipstick. I love it more than I thought I would. Oh, let me tell you the shade. It's Velvet Decade. And as soon as I saw this shade, I knew I had to have it. And I love that closure, the magnetic closure. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Yeah, I was so excited when I got this, and when I saw it, gotta say this is like, when she launched the red velvets last year, I really wanted them, and I still haven't gotten them yet, but I plan on getting them soon. But when she launched these new shades, I don't know, I haven't been excited for like a makeup launch in a really long time, and I'm like totally obsessed. I want every single shade. I mean, I want them in every launch, but this is the first launch I've actually been able to be on the site before any of them sold out, you know? I love that this color is inspired by like those deep sepia colors from the old photographs. I love sepia photographs. I created this simple look using her lipstick. I even have it on the eyes. I don't know if it's technically eye safe, so I wouldn't suggest it, but I'm a daredevil and I love having my eyes match my lip, or just the whole look matching together. So as soon as I saw this color, I'm like, monochromatic look is what I want. And that is what I did. It's matte look, completely matte, because I have put no highlighter on. I also opted out of bronzing my face. That might actually be really nice. I might try that next time. Alright, so this video is featuring Lisa Eldridge's Velvet lipstick in Velvet Decade, and this lipstick, you can really, I don't know if it'll show on camera, but it really does look like velvet is encasing it. And I have always loved velvet even as a child, and I just love that these lipsticks have that encasing. They kind of remind me of rose petals. Rose petals are very velvet to the touch, and even just looking at them, they look very plush, and I just love the look of these lipsticks. And the first thing I did was take a flat concealer brush to apply the actual lipstick to my eyelids. Yep, that's right. I used the actual Velvet Decade as eyeshadow in this look. And honestly, I loved how it came out. So I first started off with the flat brush to apply it and slowly build color. And then I later decided to take a eyeliner slash brow brush to more define the shape that I wanted. And then I went back in with the concealer brush to build up the color slowly to the opacity that I wanted. So yeah, you just take your time. Just take your time, nice and slow. You know, the turtle won the race, guys. So you don't want to rush this. I just followed the natural shape of my crease and went a little slightly higher to the crease. And I also just followed the line leading straight to my bottom waterline, just so it kind of just elongated that line upward from my eyeball, if that makes sense. I'm not very good at explaining things, guys, but you can see what I'm doing, right? Yeah, and then I also was taking the flat brush, the pointed end, to kind of like blend it slightly, because I didn't want it to be like a harsh line. And this look is going to be really simple because I'm literally just using this one lipstick shade as an eyeshadow. So it's going to be a one shadow look. And after I got the shape and placement of the color the way I liked, I took some powder to set it because I didn't want it to move. So just take any translucent powder you have and just use it to set it, and then slightly dust it away, nice and gentle like. And after that, I applied some concealer. The concealer wasn't quite my shade, but it's okay. So I applied the concealer to my eyes, and after that I just went in with my foundation and making sure I was careful around the shape that I created on my eyes. The next step after I applied my foundation, I decided to let my foundation sit on my face for a little while because I didn't want to powder it, and the foundation I decided to use is really good at just setting itself, and then I can apply powder products on top of it just fine. like blush, highlighter, bronzer, and all that jazz. The next step I decided to do was my brows. So I took my favorite eye pencil, and you guys can take whatever products you want in this tutorial to recreate it, or you can just do a totally different color palette and just do a monochromatic look. And then I just slowly took the pencil and just followed the natural shape of my brows. I never really tried to get my brows exactly the same and even because, you know, they're not the same, so I just let them do their own thing. I just follow the shape of each natural brow because I'm fine with the natural order of things. And we are asymmetrical beings, and I'm just taking the spoolie at the other end of my pencil to brush out my hairs and make sure it looks natural. And to set my brows in place, I'm going to take a brow gel. Even on my natural days or no makeup days, a brow gel is totally needed, in my opinion. Well, at least for myself. I just like the look of having more clean up defined brow. Then I took a nice rose mauve toned blush and applied that to my cheeks, sort of in a C shape. I kind of brought it up to my temples a bit, just because I like applying my blush that way. That is about all that I'm going to apply on the cheeks because I wanted to keep this really simple. But you guys could totally add contour or bronzer if you like, and highlighter. You can add that as well, but I just wanted to have an all matte monochromatic look. This is how I envisioned it in my head. And I have to say, this look came out better than I thought it would because I am no makeup artist like Lisa Eldridge, but I do enjoy playing with makeup. So this was a really fun look, and simple looks are like my favorite. And for the final step, I applied the Lisa Eldridge Velvet Decade lipstick, and you guys, this lipstick is so creamy and plush and velvety and smooth. There's no tugging on the lips when you apply this lipstick, and I should have used a lip brush to apply it so the lines were crisper, but I'm quite fine with the way it came out. It was very easy for me to follow just the natural shape of my lip, and probably next time I would like to use a lip liner, but I have never been a big lip liner person, so I will have to find a good one to go with these lipsticks that I got from Lisa Eldridge. And that, you guys, finishes this simple fall holiday Thanksgiving look. I wasn't lying when I said it was simple, and I gotta say I'm in love with both the look and Lisa Eldridge's lipstick. Well, what'd you think? Did you enjoy this simple look? Because I definitely did, and I love it. I love it. Simplicity is key, and it's my favorite way to wear makeup. I don't like to overdo it. This look, I have to say, is a favorite of mine in a long time. I'm already obsessed with this lipstick. I'm sure I said this already in the intro possibly, but I gotta say it again, I'm obsessed. I don't know why it took so long to purchase a Lisa Eldridge lipstick, you guys. I believe this one is also still available. So go and get this, baby. Go and get it. But this will be the first video that I'm doing makeup look inspired by her lipsticks. I also have two more lipsticks that I'm going to do a look focused on, mainly. It's whatever popped in my head. As soon as I saw the lipstick, it's the look I wanted to put on my face. You know, that says a lot. Her lipsticks inspire me. And I'm so happy to support an amazing makeup artist. And I hope you guys go check out her lipsticks if you haven't heard already about them, because I'm sure you have. They're very popular. They sell out very fast. But I'll link her website down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one, which hopefully will be 2 looks for the holidays. Also featuring her lipsticks. But okay. Bye. Goodbye.